brushing my brows always makes me feel better. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I do a few different things here on my channel, and today we're going to be trying out one of, I think, going to be like my favorite palettes. Like, we're going to keep it up here because she's beautiful. It's my Colourpop times the Legend of Korra collection palette. I bought the collection too. The whole collection. I didn't mean to, but I did. More on that in previous videos. If you haven't seen them, go check it out. But yeah, this is like such a good palette. Oh, for number one, because it's Colourpop, and number two, because Legend of Korra. Yes. I like the whole palette idea. I feel like a little weird because it is larger than the I shouldn't say original, because like the original Avatar, well, you know, if you watch The Legend of Korra, you know. But the first Avatar palette that I also keep up here on my desk because it's my favorite. But look how wonderful. It's larger. They both have like the book vibe going on, which I absolutely like love. Love, love, love. This one's just larger, I guess. Yeah, I just want to show you the inside, their little golden thing. Oh. But I've done all the elements except for air, and I'm torn. Like, I know in here, like in the palette here, we have airbending and we have air, and like you got some spirits, some pro bender, some endgame, but I'm like, is that really air? Like, to me, when I think air, I think, of course, I don't know, like more watercolors, which is weird because watercolors are watercolors, like the blue. But, well, obviously we have water bending, air bending, fire bending, earth bending. But I guess really it's up to you what you want to go with. And this whole time I've been struggling, not really sure how to do this. And then that popped into my head and I was like, duh, of course it is. So today I'm going to be playing with my Colourpop times The Legend of Korra collection palette, well, and the collection. And I'm going to be doing an Air Nomad look, hopefully. I thought about coming in with primer first, but I don't think I need it all over. But we'll see. We'll see. And by the way, this shirt totally fits my vibe right now, so perfect timing. I have some ideas I'm not 100% sure on, but I know I want to use the chrome, multi-chrome, what do you call yourself? I know it's Air from Colourpop. Can you see it pretty well? Sort of. My camera doesn't like to focus, and that's okay, but I know I want to come in with this, and I think I want to do spirits. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I kind of want to start from the inside and work my way out. Let's do it. Yeah? Yeah. Let's do it. I'm coming with my cute little, kind of rounded little tough brush here. And I want to take, air, a little bit of air. And I have my mirror here. I was going to try and look all the way over there, but no. I have my mirror here. Air. Nice. That's pretty as it is. Makes me look awake and not as dead as I felt like I was before. What else do I want to do? I don't know. Actually, I there's airbending And then there's Endgame. I'm going to come in with a bigger brush, a fluffier brush. And I'm going to come in with airbending. And I'm going to kind of do all up in here. We'll see how this goes. I know it's not normal to do this, but I feel like this is going to be my transition shade between my shimmer and my liquid shadow. I'll probably be coming back over this, but I want to see how this lays down and looks first. Which isn't bad. I mean, it's makeup. You can do what you want. And then I want to come in with some tape. Let me add some ears, kind of like Momo-y ears, to pull my pillow back so I don't get the tape stuck in them. Well, I should say don't get the tape stuck too bad. Not like giant tape either. It should be just like a little tape, right? Should be okay. I know, I'm just doing everything so out of order. Tape, like, as I'm in, like, the second shade, about to come in with my liquid. And then I did the inner corner. But, like, hear me out. I have some ideas. So, here I am coming in with the Colourpop Air Multi-Chrome Liquid Shadow. And for those of you who don't know, I come in with a brush, and I take it off of here. Just so I don't, like, glob it and smear it, because I don't trust me. Come in with a smidge. Ooh, lay that down rather. And we'll come along the line here. Ooh, that looks good. Next. I love this. This is not what I was intending to do, but this is so pretty. I love a wing moment. Me. Actually, you know what? I want to bring out the yellow more. Remember how I told you we were just going to bring it in, drop it down, and come from here? Well, here I am, back at it again with yellow. Or sorry, airbending. So first of all, yes. Yes. Next, yeah, because there's a next. I know, I was like, I'm only going to use like 2 colors. I'm going to come out with Endgame. And I want to use more of like a flatter brush to kind of plop this on my lid and give it like a shimmer down here over to there. Yup. Layers. This is beautiful. Oh, I love it. I do want a little bit down here though. Anyway. Ooh, this is looking good. I want to come back in. Where'd you go? With this little cutie, pop it back into some air and really like bring out the bottom lash line. Because it's there and I want to show it off. Ooh, I like this. This is pretty. This is pretty. Like, It is so pretty. Oh. I kind of want to come in and thicken this, but then at the same time I'm like, just leave it alone. I think it's fine the way it is. I'm not gonna mess with it. I know I want to and I'm not going to, and that's okay. I really want to. Wow. This is pretty. I didn't think this was gonna come out this nice. Honestly, yeah. That's on me though. That's on me. Let's pop this back in here. And I want to come in, ooh. So I did get the Super Shock highlighter. The Spirit Wilds Super Shock highlighter. Colourpop times The Legend of Korra. And it's beautiful. It is. I do have some like issues with like the tie-dye-y color, because like when you mix them all together, like you really like get in there and swirl it, it turns gray. Which I guess is okay if you're not really bothered by it, but let me, for this look, I kind of want to stick to more gold, I feel like. Peach? More peach? Or gold? I'm gonna stick over here. It's more gold. And just come in right here, tappa tappa. And that highest part of my cheek. To really give myself a good glow. Wow. A golden glow anyway. Because that's where the sun's gonna hit anyway. It might as well be golden. Done. And then we got eyeliners too. I'm not going to use them because I don't feel like they go well with this look. But we also got lippies, and I'm coming in with this one. Really lightly, because I already put some of my 4-3 Beauty times Avatar The Last Airbender Jasmine Tea Overnight Lip Mask, which I use as like a chapstick or a lip moisturizer, however you want to categorize it. So I'm going to come in with a little bit of this. Just a little bit. And actually, you know what? Where'd my mirror go? You know what? I want it to come out pretty light, so I just did a smidge, because I'm going to come back in with this and like do a dab. Wow. More, to me, I feel like this is more brown, but still nice. I don't like this. I don't like it. Take it off. Nope. I feel like I liked it better when it was a lighter color. Yeah. Nope. Let's try that again. Because I love mixing things like that. The mediums, like lippy. Light lippy, which like by itself is beautiful. I could leave it, but I'm probably gonna have to come in with either my Super Shock or one of these. Ooh, Endgame. I got a winner. Do not come in with those liquid shadows on your lips. That is like the best lesson of all. Don't do it. But this looks so nice. Hi, hello, how are we doing? This is so good. I mean, my shirt really like sets the whole thing off. If I had been wearing like my signature black, I don't have anything like black to really hold up, but like if I was wearing like my signature black shirt, this would just like pop. I feel like I love this. I love, and it's weird because when I try to get like a lot of inspiration for like the Air Nomad stuff, like just looks and makeup and just typing in Air Nomad in general, it was mostly blue, not so much like their tan and clayish red attire that they have on, which like I get it, the sky is like blue, but then like the clouds are white, Appa's gray, the robes are kind of like a tan color. I didn't find a lot, so I'm gonna post this on my Instagram, and hopefully this will be able to pop up when people want to get some inspiration going forward, because there's not a lot out there. You guys should totally do some Air Nomad looks because it's hard. In my opinion, it's hard. Not like Avatar Air Nomad, just like plain Air Nomads, like the Legend of Korra Air Nomads, because the Avatar in the Legend of Korra was a waterbender. Korra is a waterbender. But you know what I mean. I'm rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. I will catch you next time. Yeah. Bye.